All right, so normally I do hard cases. I just like hard cases. I have a ton of stuff, even my SD cards. I have a nice hard waterproof case and whatnot. But these guys sent me pretty decent, like hybrid hard slash soft case. No clasps. Just a bunch of room for, like, I have bunches of ND filters, extra propellers. Now I have the RC Pro controller, which fits right here. In fact, you can put this controller down, then put the RC controller down on top of that. But unfortunately, the RC Pro recently broke. So I had to send that in. But not gonna lie, I had my doubts about this case when they told me they were gonna send it to me. And I am pleasantly surprised that it's actually a pretty nice case. So I'm gonna go ahead, put the drone up, grab some shots. We'll land it here in a minute, and then we'll talk more about this case. And I'll show you more of why I like it. What I like about this one, a couple extra little things I like about this one. One, see how the batteries stand in here? I like that they're pointed up instead of laying down like that. I feel like when you do this, it just wastes a bunch of space. And this is pretty compact. And this will hold 4 batteries, plus the battery in your drone, so you have 5 batteries, plus fit another one there if you really need to, so make that 6. Thing holds a decent amount of batteries. Plus, like I said, it has all this extra space here. It's awesome. This car, since I run full-time video production, I live and die by cases. I can't have a bad case because stuff breaks. I have a lot of stuff to pay attention to, so if I have to, Anyway, cases are important, is what I'm trying to say. So, yeah, like I said, I was pretty surprised when I saw how nice this particular case was. So the things I need personally in a case, I suspect are very similar to the things you need. Hey, look, a train. Ha. But basically, I need a case that carries everything all in one spot, and this does it. I need a case that's easy to open and close. Basically, I just want a case that works better than the genuinely really nice case that DJI gives you, and this one does. It fits way more stuff, and right around the same size. It's easier to open and close. Honestly, that DJI case is a pain in the butt with all the clasps, and I just like it with a zipper, a single zipper, boom, you're open, close, all that kind of stuff. It's good stuff. While I'm flying this, I'm getting distracted by this case, trying to think of, more stuff to talk about. But I mean, let's be real, it's a case. And it's a case that works. And really, like I said before, that's all that matters. So, if you want a good case, I went ahead and I put the link in the description of this video, so you can go and check this case out. Tell me what you think if you decide to order it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I try to get back as fast as I can. That's pretty much it. I dig it. You should buy one if you don't already have one that you really like. That's all. That's all there is to it. It's just a nice, simple case that works, it's effective, and most importantly, it makes your life easy if you're flying drones. yeah. See y'all later.